How to change currency on Temu. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change the currency on Temu. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to change the currency on Temu, all you have to do is simply go to temu.com. And once you go to temu.com and log into your account or the app, it's very straightforward from here. Tap on your profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then go to this option that says Settings. Once you go to settings, you'll see payment methods, country, language, and right under that you can see currency. Mine is set to USD. So you can tap on currency and you can choose to other currency. Now if you don't find other currency, remember that your currency will get set automatically when you select a country. So in the United States, what works is USD. So that's why currency is set to USD by default. So when you change the country, the currency will get set according to that particular country. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.